Hey everyone, welcome to the AICLUV setup guide. This guide is going to show you how to activate your NVR, add your cameras and configure them, hand off to customers, and finally, how you can redeem and add new licenses. So first, let's get started. First, head over to the AICLUV website at AICLUV.com. Once you're there, scroll down and select the Authorized Dealer Portal. To get started, you will need your TPP number. This acts as your unique partner number. If you don't have one, please send an email to support@aicluv.com to request it. And then you will receive an email with instructions on how to register. On the sign-in screen, enter your TPP number, followed by your username, email, and password. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can get a quick overview of your network, including how many sites and customers you have, as well as the online or offline status of your cameras or NVRs. So, creating a customer account. Next, head to the customers section to create an account for a new customer. Enter the reference name. From here, we'll just do ABC reference, along with the customer's email address, phone number, and physical address. Because this site is for a new customer, you can add a new device directly to that location. Keep in mind later on, the customer will need to add or activate additional NVRs themselves. So here we can type in the address and our Google search engine will automatically detect and populate it. Confirm the details to proceed, and then we're on to setting up and activating the NVR. Now let's set up the hardware. The system provides a connection and wiring diagram. Ensure the internet line connects from the router directly to the NVR's Uplink port. To add and activate the NVR, you will need its MAC address. So you can locate the MAC address by searching with EZTools or by checking the sticker on the back of the NVR, or you can even use the mobile app to scan the QR code on the back. Enter or paste the MAC address into the portal and click confirm. Next, assign a name to the NVR, such as Office NVR, and set and confirm your password. Activation normally takes a few minutes and the NVR will reboot automatically. Once it reconnects to the internet and it comes back online, you will see the NVR appear in your portal. As part of the setup, make sure you configure SIP or ultramotion detection on your NVR and ensure the encoding is set to H.264 with the sub-resolution changed to 720p. Now we're going to move on to adding and configuring your cameras. To add cameras to the NVR, you have two options. You can either connect cameras directly to the NVR's ports, or you can add them over the network. In this setup, we have the cameras connected directly to the PoE ports. Select this option and the NVR will scan the ports to search for cameras. Once your cameras are successfully detected, click to add them to your system. From here, we can easily rename the cameras. For example, we're changing this one to Office 1 and save your settings. But be sure to also configure your local time zone. If you have licenses available, you can apply them now, or you can skip this and add them later. To configure specific camera features, click the gear icon to open the camera settings. Here you can enable intelligent analytics such as intrusion or cross-line detection. Simply click to draw your desired area on the screen then adjust the sensitivity percentage. You can also specify the target detection type, such as vehicles, non-motor vehicles, or humans. And during configuration, you have access to simple image rotation settings. Once you're happy with your settings, save them. And if the camera supports two-way audio, you can go into audio settings and enable it. And you are finished configuring your cameras. Return to the dealer portal to log in again. Okay, customer handoff. So once you've confirmed the completed installation and they're happy, a welcome email is automatically sent to the customer using the email address you registered for them earlier. The customer will follow instructions in that email to register their user account. Once registered, the user can log in to view the cameras, watch playback, and search events. Please note that as a dealer, you will not be able to add additional NVRs directly to their site from your interface. However, the end user now has the administrative control to add more sites and NVRs themselves. Let's go over to add AI software licenses to your customer's cameras. Navigate to the customer section and select the NVR. If a camera already has licenses, you can transfer them or you can add new licenses. You can select a 1-year or 3-year license and hit confirm to apply it. If your available license pool is running low or empty, you can always purchase more directly from our company. We will send you a digital license key. And then to load these new licenses into your account, go to the license pool page on your dashboard and select redeem license key. Copy and paste the digital key we provided in the box and click confirm. Your portal will instantly update with your newly purchased licenses. And that concludes our tutorial on how to set up AICLUV View. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and we'll try and get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more security insights. We'll see you in the next one.